Right now, the biggest challenge in real estate isn't finding buyers, it's getting buyers approved. High interest rate, sky high taxes, insurance doubling, lenders tightening more and more every month. Deals that should close are dying before they even get started. Buyers with good income, denied. Self-employed, denied. Investors, denied. Business owners who write off too much, denied. Perfect property, perfect agent, but the loan is the deal killer. But what if that changed? What if there was a company that could match your clients in minutes to the best approval options available? Not just traditional lending, not just perfect credit buyers, but every type of client. Self-employed, credit challenged, no tax returns, low DTI, high DTI, no credit, business owners, immigrants, first-time home buyers, investors, second-chance buyers. What if instead of a denial, your client was given a solution? That's what HomeLynq does. A system with a 95% approval pathway. A platform that connects your buyers to traditional and creative financing options instantly. All you do is share a simple link. We're living through one of the largest shifts of wealth in our lifetimes. But the real question is, are you positioned to take advantage of it? Or are you just going to watch it pass by? As a HomeLynq member, you also get real estate training, personal development, mentorship, community support, and tools to help you grow your business faster.
Then HomeLynq is exactly what you've been looking for.
So what was the biggest challenge? It was the inability to get that loan. Did you know that over 80% of the people in the United States cannot get approved for the loan for the house they want to buy right now? It's incredible. It's affecting everybody. It affects the mortgage companies, right? If you're a mortgage broker, lender out there, it's affecting you right now. If you're a realtor, it's affecting you. It's affecting realtors, their ability to sell their clients' houses. Houses are sitting on the market so much longer, not because people don't want to buy them, but because they can't get the financing. And if houses aren't selling, it also affects the builders. You know, builders are building all these houses, and now it's slowed down. A lot of builders are going out of business because they can't sell the houses. But think about it, this affects every single one of us. What about the framers? You know, if builders aren't building, framers don't have work. Electricians, plumbers, painters, tile workers, everybody is affected. And this is truly a big challenge, but guess what? HomeLynq is the solution. HomeLynq, what is HomeLynq? It's a real estate training, education, and referral network that allows members to earn while you learn. Our mission statement is empowering members to build wealth and grow through a supportive real estate network. Keyword supportive there, guys. Our vision is to become the most trusted community for building wealth through real estate education and referrals. Trusted, that's the key word. It's a complete education and community package. What does that mean? Education, we're talking about from how to properly structure your business, guys. When I first started in real estate 28 years ago, I wish I could have had this education available to me, this training, because I didn't know what to do. I wanted to have rental properties. Why did I want to have rental properties? Because the people that I saw, they had the big houses, the nice cars and everything. They had real estate, they had rental properties. So I just thought that I had to have rental properties if I wanted to have what they had. But that wasn't the case, guys. I bought rental properties, right? And I just went to the bank and told them I wanted to get a loan to buy 10 rental properties so I can quit my job. And they laughed at me. But I didn't give up. See, I bought these courses, you know, and I'm dating myself. They sent me a box with cassettes in there, how to buy property with no money, how to do all these things, you know. But guess what? I was able to get the houses, right? I bought those 10 houses. But it was hard. It was hard because I didn't know what I know now. But I don't want you to go through that, right? When I was buying these houses, there was a problem because if you buy a house, it shows up on your credit, right? And then when you go to buy the next house, the bank's gonna see that they pull your credit, they're gonna see that there's a house on your credit. Now your debt to income ratio is not gonna allow you to get that other loan. And maybe if you're a high earner, you might be able to get 2 or 3 houses, right? Maybe 5 houses, but after that, it's gonna be really hard, almost impossible. And I don't know any lender, even creative out there, that will lend you more than 10, let you have more than 10 properties in your name. But what if you knew how to properly structure your business. And you can start your business with the LLC. You can go purchase that investment property, that rental property you want with your LLC. It does not show up on your credit, guys. So guess what happens the next month when you go to the bank and tell them you want to buy another rental property? They pull your credit. There's no homes on there. You don't have any rental properties. They allow you to buy another one. The next month you can buy another one, unlimited, because they never show up on your credit report. 28 years ago when I did it, the only reason I was able to do it is because it took longer for it to show up on your credit, maybe a month or more. Now it's on your credit right away, right? So guys, I bought the rental properties. I thought I had made it, right? I had 10 rental properties averaging about 200 a month. This is like 20 years ago. I quit my job. I told my wife to quit her job. We were so excited. We were retired for 4 months. And then the first person didn't pay the rent. And guess what? I realized we had to pay the rent, but we both quit our jobs. See, rental properties is not what I thought it was. You don't buy rental properties to be able to replace your income, quit your job, have the big house and the cars. At $200, how many rental properties are you gonna have to be able to do that, guys? It's not even really possible, guys. You know, $200 a month, 20% down on a $200,000 home, even if you can find one, that's $40,000 plus closing costs. We're looking at $50,000, guys, to get one rental property to make $200. How long is it going to take you to save up $50,000 at $200 of residual income? Guys, we're going to teach you exactly how to do it the right way. See, wealthy people, they don't buy rental properties to offset their income and buy time freedom. Wealthy people buy rental properties to offset their income. Are you seeing where we're going here, guys? If you knew that, then you would be focusing on the wrong things, and you can achieve that time freedom and financial freedom that you want. We're going to share with you and teach you how to do wholesaling, right? You might want to get into real estate, but you want to start somewhere less risky, right? Well, wholesaling is a good way to get started, because you can do that with very little money, and the risk is very limited, right? But maybe you want to know about fix and flips. I did 80 fix and flips last year, 77 the year before. I'm going to show you how to do fix and flips the right way, to maximize your profit, to be able to move houses quicker, to be able to rehab them faster. How do you get the contractors? You know, we use the same stuff every single time. We do the same thing over and over. Same color paint, same flooring, same light fixtures, same countertops, same everything. Processes and systems, guys. What about rentals? We talked a little bit about rentals. Rentals are still good, but you're going to need them to offset your income. It's just the way you're thinking about it, your mindset. And that's why we're going to talk about personal development, mindset, communication skills, leadership skills. These are going to help you be successful in any business that you're doing. You really need to have the mindset to know, yes, rental properties are good, but I'm purchasing them not to make that $200 a month, because it's not really $200 a month, guys. By the time you pay your property manager and, you know, something breaks, you know, you're not really making it for that. It's really to offset your taxes. What about owner financing? That's an awesome way to make money, where you can limit the time involved, right? Because on a rental property, every time something breaks, they call you, right? But with owner financing, you're the bank, right? They're not going to call Wells Fargo and say, hey, my AC is not working and my roof is leaking, guys. So we're going to show you how owner financing may be something you are interested in. What about new construction? Maybe you're thinking about getting into new construction or building your own home. We're going to teach you how to do that. See, the markets change all the time. They're up, they're down, they're sideways, right? So you can't do the same thing every time. You're going to be part of a community that is showing you what is working now, what you should be doing right now. See, I don't really like subject to deals, but right now, the way the market is, subject to is great. You can get properties at 2-3% interest rate, no matter what your credit is, right? And you can get into these properties, sometimes brand new properties, with very little money. Would you like to know how to do that? And it doesn't have to be an investment property. Maybe you're looking to buy your own home. Wouldn't you like to know how to get your own home using maybe some type of subject to or creative financing, where you can get into a home, you know, for a few $1,000s with a low rate, no matter what your situation is? This is very, very valuable information. Private money brokering. We talked about how getting the loan is so hard right now. What if you could be the money man? What if you can be a private money broker with no licensing? We're going to teach you how to do that too. It's so much information, guys. And how are you going to get this information? we're going to have monthly networking events and trainings. And why do I say networking? Your network is your net worth. You've heard that before, right, guys? You ever been to a networking event? If you're in real estate, you're looking at this because you're excited or wanting to be part of real estate, even if you're a realtor, investor, mortgage broker, lender, private money, hard money, you go to real estate networking events to meet other people, wholesalers, fix and flippers, to grow your business, right? But a lot of times you go to these networking events and it's at like a bar or somewhere the music's so loud, you really can't do business. You really can't network or get to know that. And then when you try to find places that say you can have networking and a training, I've been to those, right? I want to go learn and I want to meet other people, but usually you get 5-10 minutes, to network. Really, they don't even want to network, and they're just trying to sit you down so you can start the training, right? So we want things to be way different here at HomeLynq, right? We want you to be part of a huge community of like-minded people that are all here to help you grow whatever business you have, guys. It's going to be 1 hour of networking before the meeting, okay? And then you're going to get training from experts, not just me. I'm just one of the trainers, guys. There's other trainers that are going to teach all the different types of things that we're going to be teaching you, right? All these trainings by other trainers, like wholesaling. We had a wholesaling trainer that been doing wholesaling for 30 years, over 600 deals, things like that. We're going to bring those wholesalers to you, and you're not going to have to pay thousands of dollars for those trainings, right? All these trainings, every single month, we're going to have trainings, different trainings, and they're all included, guys. Once you're part of the community, you're going to get lifetime access to all these trainings, because every single training is going to be recorded, professionally recorded and edited and uploaded into your online video library that you're going to have access to, lifetime access. We're also, like all these big real estate communities, we're going to have a big, huge mastermind event every year. You're going to get 2 tickets to the mastermind event. Now, what about access to creative funding sources? A lot of people are talking to me, they're excited, they want to get into real estate, they want to do fix and flips, or they want to have rental property, they want to do all this stuff, but they're like, I just don't have the credit, I don't have the finances, I don't have the resource, I don't have the funding to go buy this house cash, fix it up, and then sell it, right? What if we can connect you with all the funding you need, up to 100% financing on the purchase of this investment property, of this fix and flip, let's say, and even up to 100% of the rehab in there, right? This is stuff connections we've made over the last 28 years that we're gonna share with you. So you're gonna get that funding resource, guys. Now, what else is HomeLynq? HomeLynq is something different that has never been done before, guys. What we're doing is we're changing the entire industry and the game. Imagine being part of a community and you're a realtor, let's say, as an example. And as a realtor, you join HomeLynq. And you might be thinking, why would I join HomeLynq? Well, you're gonna join HomeLynq because in HomeLynq, all we do is we learn and we earn, we send referrals, right? So imagine if you can send a referral in for somebody that wants to buy or sell a home, or maybe get the financing, right? We said that's one of the big problems. And you refer somebody to HomeLynq, right? Well, when you send that referral of somebody that wants to buy or sell a home, HomeLynq is not a real estate brokerage company, right? We're not realtors. We're a real estate education and training company that has a referral program to it, right? So if you're a realtor, you're not going to send your people that want to buy or sell a home, right? You're going to become a certified affiliate partner of HomeLynq, and HomeLynq is then going to be able to send you those leads that are coming in. Imagine if you're just sitting there and you filled out the app to become a certified affiliate partner, and on there you put, I want homes, I want people that want to buy homes in these zip codes, right, that are already pre-qualified for the loan and that want to purchase within 30 days. And then all of a sudden, somebody in HomeLynq, right, the other 90% of the members, because not everybody's going to be a realtor, right, they can send in that lead of their friend that wants to buy a home that's already pre-approved. They send it to HomeLynq. The AI in HomeLynq routes it, and you get a text on your phone and an email exactly what you were looking for, what you wanted, and you just click it if you want to accept it. Do you think that could be a game changer that can help you as a realtor? What if you could also send clients to HomeLynq, refer them to HomeLynq, clients that that couldn't get the financing, or maybe they come to you and say, I want you to help me find a home. What are you going to ask them if you're a realtor? You're going to ask them, do you have your pre-approval letter? And if they say, no, I don't have it, what do you normally do? Okay, well, when you get it, let me know. What if they don't ever call you back, right? I know that happens. So what if you could just say, well, here's a link, click on here, get a pre-approval letter right away so I can start working with you, right? The financing that the affiliate, the certified affiliate partners that we have that are doing all types of lending, we have all types of different types of lenders. There's programs even where you can get financing if you don't have good credit, if you haven't been at the job for 2 years, if you don't have 2 years tax returns, all these requirements that most traditional lenders are asking for. What if none of that mattered? What if the only thing that mattered was your ability to pay? As long as the person has the ability to pay, we have partners, affiliate partners that are going to be able to get them that loan. This is a game changer, right? If you're a lender, a mortgage broker, why would you want to join HomeLynq? Well, would you like the same thing to happen to you? You put on there, these are the types of loans I'm looking for. These are the clients my preferred clients that have a 700 plus credit score, that have their 2 years tax returns, that have these types of reserve, whatever you're looking for, this credit score. And then that person, a text hits your phone, an email, and you can click if you want it. And it meets exactly what you're looking for in the area you're looking for. Maybe you say you do Texas, right? So no matter what you're doing, guys, it doesn't matter if you're an insurance agent. Let's say you do insurance, right? Well, people that are buying homes and are being referred to HomeLynq, they want to buy a home, are going to need to purchase the insurance because their mortgage lender is going to require them to have insurance on that home. If you're an insurance person, you can become a certified affiliate partner of HomeLynq and request those leads to be sent to you. It's going to help you build your business. What about somebody that does home inspections, right? You can get people that are buying homes that want home inspections sent to you. Are you starting to get how HomeLynq and the whole community is going to help you to be successful in your business? We're all going to be referring back and forth, guys. Even if you're somebody that does roofing, right? If you're a plumber, if you're an electrician, AC, all these things, you want to join a community that cares about you, that cares about helping you be successful. And when you can just put exactly what you're looking for and get it sent to you, guys, this changes the whole game of how things have ever been done. And what if you can get paid for these referrals? There's other companies that have referral programs where you can refer back and forth, and things like that. But do you get paid for those? No. Here, you're going to be helping everybody and helping everybody grow and getting paid for those referrals. If you want to, it's a separate program. It doesn't cost anything extra, right? You can be part of the referral program for free. But guys, all of this that we just shared with you, everything, all the training, the education, the networking events, the online library of videos, the access to it, all of this is going to be available to you for $499, guys. One time, $499. And currently we have it for a lifetime access, lifetime membership, guys. We can't do that forever. $499 for life. It's not $499 a year right now. It's only $499 for life, guys. If you saw value in what you just saw right now, get with the person that sent you this video and tell them I'm ready to get started today. Welcome to HomeLynq.